If your skin breaks out every month, especially around your jawline or your chin, and nothing seems to work, I mean, you've done everything humanly possible, but no cure, no solution, you're probably dealing with hormonal acne. Yes, you heard me right. And trust me, it is none of your fault. Okay, and it's not just that you have a bad skin or nothing is working for you, it's not any of those. Okay, now I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about hormonal acne. Hormonal acne is a real condition with a real solution. Okay, in fact, solutions. And today I'll explain exactly how to fix it, what works for hormonal acne, and the rest. Now I need you to understand what is hormonal acne. Hormonal acne happens when there's an imbalance in your hormones, specifically an increase in androgens like testosterone. Okay, these hormones make your oil glands produce more sebum, excess sebum, and that excess oil mixes with dead skin cells and bacteria. What happens after that? It definitely leads to a deep, painful pimples. Okay, and guess what? Hormonal acne is not like the regular, whiteheads or blackheads. No, 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 no. It is not. Hormonal acne shows up as a deep, I mean, very deep into your skin, inflamed bumps that sometimes feel so sore, like they feel so painful, severely painful to touch. Sometimes once you touch it, it feels so severely painful. They don't come to, the head easily. They hardly come to your head. They are always around this area. And when they do, they often leave dark marks or scars on your skin. They don't just go away after you treat them. They will definitely leave dark scars and dark marks on your skin. This type of acne often appears on the lower face, around the jawline, the chin, and sometimes the neck. Okay. Now, you may also notice it flares up during your periods. I'm talking about the women for now. Okay. It has to do with your hormones, right? So it comes definitely when either you are going to be on your period or sometimes pregnancy. You understand? Yes, or when you are under stress. That is when hormonal acne comes. Now, let us talk about what actually triggers hormonal acne. Hormonal acne don't just come to your face. Some of these factors trigger it. Some of these factors causes hormonal acne. They bring about hormonal acne to your face. Okay, and these are what I'm going to be explaining to you now. The number one factor that brings hormonal acne is what? When you are stressed. When your body releases cortisol, which increases oil production. So stress is the number one factor for what? For hormonal acne. Number two factor for hormonal acne is what? Diet. Yes. So foods rich in sugar, dairy, or refined carbs can spike your insulin levels, which then trigger more oil production from your skin. So you know what to do, right? Stop eating sugar. For now, all right? Yes, replace it with natural foods. Then the third this thing is what? Sleep. Yes, I hope you know that your hormones repair and balance when you sleep. So lack of rest can throw everything off balance. Ensure you are sleeping at least 8 hours every day. I know it's hard, but just try, because what? You are working on something. Number four is what? Incorrect skincare routine. Using harsh cleansers or skipping moisturizers can cause your skin to produce even more oil to compensate what? The dryness you have brought about it. So avoid using harsh products, harsh skincare products on your face. Okay. Now, how do you go about treating hormonal acne? I'm going to give you the treatment method you can use. Number one on my list is what? Focus on gentle cleansing. Yes, that is the number one thing you can do. Use a mild cleanser that removes oil without stripping your skin, without making your skin dry. Okay, examples of good cleansers that doesn't strip your skin is what? CeraVe foaming cleanser, CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. Yes, it doesn't strip your skin. La Roche-Posay purifying gel, it doesn't strip your skin. Or the Inculist salicylic acid cleanser, it doesn't strip your skin. And they are very, very good. They are a very good options when it comes to dealing with hormonal acne. Then the second treatment is what? Balance your skin barrier. So your skin barrier is your skin's defense system. I hope you know that, right? Anything that affects your skin barrier automatically affects your skin. So when it is damaged, acne gets worse. So use hydrating toners or serums. Now, the toners and serums you're going to use are serums that contain niacinamide or panthenol. So, what are you going to do? You're going to try the ordinary niacinamide 10%, zinc plus zinc, or you're going to use the cauterized snail mucin essence, okay? Number 3 treatment is what? Treat with actives that target your issue. Don't just go about buying different actives. Pick the active that targets your issue. Okay, now for hormonal acne, the best over-the-counter ingredients are salicylic acid. I always tell you, just once you know that you are prone to acne, salicylic acid should be your best friend. Azelaic acid should be your best friend. Retinols should be your best friend. Now I'm going to recommend Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Okay, that's a very good option when you treat hormonal acne. The second thing I'm going to recommend is what? The ordinary azelaic acid suspension 10%. Or if you cannot buy all of these ones, please go and get the different adapalene gel. It's affordable as well. The first step you should take is what? Moisturize daily. Yes, even oily skin needs hydration. So look for oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizers. I hope you know how to get them. If you don't, I'm going to recommend some to you. Now you're going to use moisturizers like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, or you're going to use the CeraVe PM Lotion. Okay. Number 5 way to treat hormonal acne is what? Manage your lifestyle. Yes, reduce sugar intake. Get at least 7 hours of sleep and drink enough water. Yes, water makes you hydrated, keeps your skin hydrated, okay, which is a very good way for when you're trying to combat hormonal acne. Now, adding zinc supplements and omega-3 fatty acids can also help reduce inflammation naturally. These ones I just told you, they are the natural method, okay, from inside out. So stick to a consistent routine. Avoid switching products too often, too quickly. You buy this one, you reject it. You buy this one, you stop using it after 2 weeks. That's not how to use a product, so, and that's not how to treat hormonal acne. You must stick to your routine, okay? And remember that healing doesn't happen overnight, okay? Yes, it happens over time. And most importantly, don't compare your journey. Your skin isn't broken. Your skin is not bad. It's just finding balance. So you have to give it time. Okay, use the right treatment and give it time. So if this video helped you, drop a comment under the comment section. Tell us what you've been using to combat your hormonal acne or any type of acne you had. Okay, tell us what you're using to balance your skin, and let me know what products you have tried so far. All right, just drop it to the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more clear skin content every week. Okay, I post every day. In fact, I post on a daily basis. If not on a daily basis, I post every other day. So this is something that you don't want to miss. All right, so please do well to like this video, share this video, and once again subscribe to my channel. Become a member of J Chris family. Become a member of the J Force, okay? And you will never regret it. You will never regret the decision to subscribe to my channel, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I remain your beautiful Jennifer Chris, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So stay glowing.